things we have to do, right? To support you.
Sure thing.
So, but I mute myself. I have my day job on the sideline. I just listen what you are doing and talking about and watching with one eye.
Don't get into any trades, huh?
No, I don't go in any trade right now. I trade anyway, mostly SPY futures, and at 3:30 our time, PM our time. So when they open the New York Stock Exchange, because then it's not so much to do at my job. So then it's okay.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, but this is always very good for me and interesting for learning and so on. So
yeah,
I'm now muted.
Sure thing. Thank you. There we go. Good morning. Welcome to the YouTube again. Let's see what we can do. I'm doing one thing at the same time. Give me one moment. Go. Yes, perfect. So, good morning. Welcome everyone to the London session live stream again. Looking at gold, pound yen, and GU today. Maybe a little bit more of something else. But first, let's take a look at this, and then go on. It's gonna pop this chat out. Side. There we go. It's better. Perfect. Oh shit, now it's gone. Where the fuck did it go? There it is. Yes, so there we go. I'm able to read the chat as well. Chat over here too. So we're waiting for a couple of opportunities on gold and on GJ. Let's take a look. So here for me on gold, we still got those equals. We broke them with this candle, but it seems like we pulled back up again for a retest. There's a couple things I'm really looking at. We're really ramming against this resistance right now, which is something we have to look out for. Here we went through, and you can see this from the 4-hour zone. We got the original resistance formed over here where the candles have closed above. Based upon the 1 hour, we still got these levels over here. Now these are not equal highs anymore, so let's turn that for a moment into just a resistance. So we got a resistance formed over here, and we have a tap of this support over here. I saw this 15-minute candle close pretty doji like. This candle was going up without a bottom wick yet, so let's see. I think we're gonna see some bullish momentum, but over here I want to try and get in this sell before retail sales comes up. So we got retail sales today, which you have to look out for, especially trading New York session today. And then you really have to be careful. But overall, pound yen starts to look good. We got equal highs here on pound yen, so we are breaking them now. We just tapped around 800. So let's see if we can get this candle or the next candle is showing like a pin bar, so we can start entering on sells down towards this area over here where the break of structure was. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see we had our two zones. So we're going from zone to zone. We're now going into the top zone. This top zone is rather big. The top zone is from here to here. So we got one zone over here. We got one zone over here. And we got one zone over here. So it's trying to go into this zone. We're trying to come back outside of this zone, back to the bottom of this previous zone where we're just leaving right now. So let's see. See. So we got London Open coming up soon. This is pretty nice. We're closing above with London Open, so we're probably going to get a spike up. And then see what else can happen. I prefer actually this next 15-minute candle to do the job, to show us a confirmation for sells. But let's see. If we go back up to this zone, then I'm going to start looking for sells maybe over here. Or if we really break up, then we're going to first start for looking for buys over here, and once we approach this zone over here, we're going to start looking for sells. There's a good amount of range. There's around 100 pips inside this zone, so there's enough range for us to do something. UJ, please. I'll take a look in a minute. Where your face? It's right here. Give me a moment. Internet is going ham. It's too high to buy it, obviously. Now we're waiting. 50-minute is not showing anything yet. 30-minute close bullish. 1 hour close bullish. Closing out the zone now. I want to see some rejection and see what happens. The only thing I don't like is that we're closing above this zone, especially with a 1 hour candle. So let's see what happens. The one thing that I do like is that there is a tiny wick on the top. So let's see. See what happens. Wait, I'm gonna send you an invite real quick. Give me one moment, Koala. Yeah, I'm gonna do this now. Wil je die dingen hoog? Ik stuur even WhatsApp. One moment. Koala, mijn grabber. Aye. Okay. So, Steve, do you think it's better to trade gold before the news? No, I think it's better to trade it after the news. Let the things happen and then go after the news and see what you can do, right? I think that's one of the best options. Right now, just waiting. This candle to form. Root this line for a minute. I prefer it to go a little bit higher up. Start up. Let's see how this kind of closes. Really looking forward to this one. See on the 5 minutes still going up slowly, but really better have that too. I need one more screen for real. What's your thoughts on your USD? Take a look in a minute. We're nearly approaching the 250 at live stream, like for real. So many already did. Mad. 2 live streams on a day. Fucking how long? I didn't even know how long. Too long. First I'll say hello. Good morning, welcome, welcome. So let's see. It's kind of has 10 minutes left to close. Hopefully we're gonna have one more 5-minute pushing up a little higher. Maximum to 900, 950. Hopefully not break above that 154. If we respect that, then yeah, definitely gonna be looking. Right now, the wick to the bottom is bigger than the wick to the top, so I don't really like that. You know the thing. If this decides to close lower anyways, then it'll be pretty good. Maybe somewhat like this. I'll be fine with that. Then we have a bigger top wick, which indicates that we have a thin bar candle. Hopefully, oh, never mind. We already closed with but the 50 minutes still has to close, right? So no worries about that. So let's wait for this candle. See what we can do. Full margin. GU's pushing up. Maybe start looking for a GU buy soon where the move originated from. So maybe in between this area we soon can start looking for buys if we start continuing. So if it's here or at this bottom zone, as long as we don't break this low, then we're good. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see this was the original candle where we started pushing away from. Retest continuation, so we should be retesting in between this area over here for us to continue moving further up. We have the new breaker structure, so let it retest and start looking for buys to continue that price up. And then maybe if we look on the 4-hour candle, we can see a direct target. I would probably be taking off at those highs up here, and then maybe at this level over here, and then this zone over here is something that we could start looking for sells again for. But let's see. I filled my verification FDMO. What did you do? What did you fill? So overall, we got some other pairs as well to look at. Some people talk about Euro USD. Euro USD we're breaking down. Let's see. Breaking down maybe to this level over here. Here we go again with this zone where we moved away from. So might be looking for buys around this area. No, at least at this level is a very, very, very strong zone. We haven't been there for ages. So Luis, no. So in the monthly candle we have the move originating from that area over here. As we can see, we did have bearish momentum from 2008. Made lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Breakthrough, resistance, and then we broke up again. Higher high, failed to make a new lower low, higher low, failed to make a new higher high, and then broke this zone over here. But I might be looking at some buys at this area over here, where you were the April pretty much. Good pound yen, a boy. I think it might do a second retest. But I'm about to die, I'm telling you. There we go. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. So it might show you this entry over here, and then take you out, and then go. Or we're gonna go to this area over here. Let's see. We have around 5 minutes left for this candle to close. It is engulfing. On the 5 minute, it showed pretty much doji wick. Yo, Alexander, you know the thing. It depends on how fast you learn. There's not a direct time. Some take 6 months, but some take 4 years, so. What you take on gold? Wait. Just wait for the highs to be broken. I'm gonna play around. But it's looking Gucci. I got a feeling it might play around at this level. But let's wait. If the next candle shows a nice top wick, then we're probably gonna see if we can do something, but not too fast. The thing is that we could still pick out the highs and come back a second time for the actual move down. Most of the time you're gonna get taken out the first time, so you have to wait for the second time to form. This candle's like there's a lot of volume right now. Just this move here from 7 o'clock at the new 4-hour open already pushed the price up 70 pips. Take that into consideration for GJ. That's mad. So they might got themselves a good entry up there. And they're now trying to get those buyers out because you understand there's a lot of people buying right here. Yeah, but I don't. It's not the craziest strong like yellow folder moving price 70 pips. Wonderful. Man's driving at the same time. Oh no, he's not even driving. What car are you in? A Fiat 500. Pull the handbrake. Look at him with the Starbucks coffee and that. Sheesh. Boy, a high class in that. Man's high class in that. Look at him. Enjoying life? Yo, TzRzetHz. Yeah, go. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I ain't gonna play around. See the way it's rejecting right now from this level over here. We have around 1 minute left for this candle to close on pound and yen. You have to be careful. Five seconds left. And there we go, candle closure. Let's see what this candle is gonna do. A good engulfment though. Maybe we could come back to this area over here, but I got a feeling that we might break up one more time. Yeah, I do see you sell on GJ. Like if you're like a Rambo, get in, then fine. I don't know yet. Might wait for a little top wick in that. I mean, it makes sense. They push the price up. London Open is right here. They're not gonna give, you know, they don't want to give you the best price. It just took out some buyers over here. Maybe it's maybe too tight for the buyers to get taken out, but that's already 10 pips. So, you know, let's see. Yes, they bought it right at the top. I just saw on the other stream. I don't know what stream that is then. That's not smart. Come on, guys. I want to know which one it is now. I'm going to search. Forex live stream. Let's take a look. Who's off streaming? Who did it though? Oh, really? Oh, shit. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Mad thing. Yeah, that's not smart. You know you're gonna get faked out on that one, especially with those equal eyes. G sells. Let me take a look at G. Yeah, G's looking mint, like I'm telling you. But the thing is, we broke above that area, and already with a couple candles, so it's a little 50-50 in it. But there's a very high chance that we could react away from this zone. The only thing I don't like is that we fully closed above that area. So now we're coming back up on this 15. That's why I was waiting. Don't just try and get in straight away. FOMO, just wait. Use short on GU. Okay. Could retest this area on the 5-minute. Broke down right here on the 5. So break of structure on the 5. Retest continuation. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's a little soon to say. What I sometimes see is where then the price is trying to go and then takes you out one more time and then goes. So let's see. Pound yen did get tapped that level nearly to the left. Nearly, not yet though. But if you were buying over here, then you're already fucking what 23 pips and drawdown. So it's not the smartest thing. I don't know why people are so like you. There's a fucking high probability that you're gonna get taken out with those breakout trades. Like, it's not like I ain't gonna talk about it. I ain't gonna say much. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. See, we got rookie numbers right now. Absolute rookie numbers. We gotta pump those numbers up. 5 minutes closing. Doji on pound yen. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'll wait. Definitely, probably one more push up. We got rookie numbers. How much we got right now? 47 likes. We got 147 people in, so we're missing 100 likes. Gotta pump those numbers up. Gold. Roches. Yeah, just wait on gold. There's nothing on gold right now. I did see the way this candle pushed away from my zone that I had over here. So we had this pin bar candle. Maybe buys at the top that went up already around 25 pips. But for me, it's like too much rangy right now to be able to do that. It was a nice setup, but it's overall, I don't know, it's just straight retest over here. If you catch that, then well done, but I'm waiting myself personally. DJ might go, but if it goes, yeah, it is what it is. It's not showing me, like it did show this confirmation right here. This is a straight up confirmation for sells, but I just don't, I'm not feeling the 5 minute. Also, the way this 5 minute candle closes, pin bar close, another pin bar over here. This is doji candle, pin bar doji candle, and then this candle doing some weak shit. So just have to wait. Like, you have to react when price is doing something that you like, and if you don't see something that you like, then don't react. That's it. Also, the way this, like, you know, the way this 1 hour candle closes upside, right? It's all based upon news. Like, the entire move was upon news. So this will likely get corrected. Most likely we'll get corrected, but let's see. This does not make sense. Okay, never mind. Oh wait, okay, let's see this. Astro Creep. Anyway, GU was held in consolidation yesterday while EU dropped quite nicely, so GU might play catch up or not. Okay, yeah, maybe, yeah. Yeah, for me, right now, what I don't really like about GU is that got this zone right. It makes sense we're going down. I'm trying to see if we can go down one more time over here to maybe start taking buys. Right, this is where the move originated from and it started pushing up. So there could be sells into play right now, especially with this candle close, but I would first of all wait for this 30-minute candle to close. And the thing is that we're making higher highs, higher highs, higher lows right now. The only time frame that we broke structure on the downside is the 5 minute. So, and how strong is the 5 minute compared to like what 1 hour, right? You can see on the 4 hour, yes, then we're Gucci, right? Previous 4 hour close bearish, rejecting. You can see the pin bar rejection, and then you can see this candle is going up without a bottom wick. So there's 100%. There's a very high chance for this candle to flip and start continuing bearish. But you also have to see, like, we got 1.5 hours time left for price to do that. So there has to be a very, very strong push if we're going to see that. So yeah, if it wants to go, it should be starting to go now. They're squeezing, unless you're squeezing. You can say big man kings. The gold's just short moves right now, scalping inside this entire ugly ass range. This was a very nice scalp, to be honest with you. I didn't take it myself. I was looking at maybe this high over here. As I said before, it didn't go up any further anyways, so I don't really care about it. I just want to see it break out of the range. Like, you understand, inside this range, there's people blowing accounts every single time. So we have the 15-minute candle next closure in around 5 minutes. It's not looking that strong, so most likely there is going to be one more candle that breaks up. And if we then get a rejection candle, like maybe just a wake up, maybe just a small wake up, I do want to see it dump from here. Like that's one thing. I do want to see it go down from here, but let's see. For the buyers, keep on your own buys. If you're buying, then you know, stay with your buys. Don't, just because I'm saying something, get out. I might be wrong, you know. But this is what I'm personally seeing, especially with this previous 4-hour candle closure. GU has a very, very high probability of going down as well. We could maybe do on GU if the GU decides to break down and close below 1.34484 in this next 4 minutes. They can maybe say like, hey, let's wait, and then once this candle starts making a top wick and breaks the low over here, they can maybe start continuing down towards these levels over here. That would be a pretty nice thing to do. So yeah, let's see overall. Short GP, yeah. Yep. Just blew my account from $500 to $15, so I'm fucked up right now. But it took me 3 months to blow it to $15 though. You know how fucking short that is. What did you do? I'm just questioning myself right now. How did you blow it? You over-risked it, you probably over-risk. Explain to us, what did you do? And then he's giving advice as well. It's best for GJ to create a support. Now, all else we should just a huge pullback. I don't know about that, my friend. I think it's first good to get your account back and then start trading again. Look, is that push down on gold a break of trend line for bearish momentum? I don't really look at trend lines. Current push up isn't a retest. Let me take a look. Because they mean a trend line from like from here to here. So you're saying, oh, I see what you're saying. So you're looking from here to here, and then you're looking at this as a retest for price to continue moving down. Smart idea. Yeah, let's see. There was this breakout over here, so you could maybe start looking at this. So I'm not the best with trend lines, so don't listen to my trend lines. I'm telling you, not listen to my trend lines. So my trend lines are all wrong. Don't look at them. But if we been into wide perspective, yeah, maybe. Some people do it from body, some people do it from wicks. I really don't give a shit, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is why I want to wait. Like, the first confirmation is sometimes not like the real confirmation. Best is to wait for the second confirmation. Start. You know, do you guys see fucking all the crypto drop, man? Fuck's sake. Shit. This thing needs to not break this area, otherwise we're gonna go downtown. We're gonna go back to fucking 20. This thing needs to just respect 40 and then go up, up, up. That's all it has to do. Ethereum is down 5% as well. I think BTC is down like 10% or something. But around 1 minute left for this candle to close, so let's go fast. On yen for a moment to the 50-minute time frame. You can see 30-minute is not engulfing and it's showing a little bit of rejection to the downside, so we're waiting for the high to be broken. Now we got the first confirmation right here for sells. If this does not play out and the next 15-minute candle decides to open, right? The next 15-minute decides to open over here and show us a wick like this, not passing that much levels, but showing wick like this, and then closing like maybe like this, or like from this area obviously, but like this, maybe even, well, not like, at least the wick has to be bigger than the body, and then we call it a pin bar. But preferably looking at this, if this was something to happen, then we're definitely gonna get into some shorts. Someone entered shorts on gold. That looks very good, especially with the pin bar retesting this area. I like that situation. I like that. See 30-minute candle. Let's see. Also, yeah, looks pretty good. This candle's going up without a bottom wick as well, so most likely price will make a bottom wick. Most likely will. So let's see. This 30-minute candle. Oh wait, fucking hell. I'm a mouse right here. This 30-minute candle does not have a bottom wick, but overall in the 1 hour you can see that we broke the structure over here and it's now pretty much retesting this area. So let's see. Pound yen, yeah, I'm just waiting on pound yen. Let's see what happens in that. For myself, don't really want to be in the middle of the range. It is a pin bar right here, especially also showing a nice opportunity, but I don't really want to be in the middle of the range. That's one thing I don't like. You gotta also be okay with missing certain moves, right? If you don't get into certain moves, like, you gotta understand that you want to have quality instead of quantity, so you can get one good entry that is, you know, really showing you opportunity to take it down and take it. But right now, 100% is looking good, 100%. But for me, it's just the middle of the range over here. We've got the range from here to here, and we're pretty much in the middle. But most likely, we will tap down and retest this level over here. Retest the level over, and maybe even go down to this level over here, where the move originated from. And we can even start maybe looking for some buys back up again, break these highs, and then see what happens after. Let's see. Yeah. The 5 minutes looking good as well. I mean, if it breaks down 100%, there's a chance we're going to go down to this area. You have around the range of around 28 to 30 pips for the first target. This is going to be your first target. You're not going to close anything in between. And then most likely going to be able to take it down here around 70 pip target. Let's see. Pound yen is looking nice. If this can continue up and then show a rejection wick, maybe even break the high, show a rejection wick, then we're going to get into pound yen sells. scalp 28 pips on a small bullish move on gold. Very nice. Do you trade different to Raja now? Yes. I'm just waiting. I don't like to be inside the middle of the range. Either I want to be selling over here or I want to be buying over here. Like as an example, if you have a range, not like directly this, but this is the high of the range, this is the low of the range. Or I want to be selling over here, I want to be buying over here. I don't really want to be in here. This is, okay, you know the thing. You know the thing. But high probability that we're gonna get into sells, even though the 5 minutes looking bullish. You have this high over here, lower low, lower high, lower low, retest of the original break over here, and then consolidation, accumulation, break, came back to accumulation, and now it's ready to go into sells again. See, breaking down now, breaking a 5 minute low. Very, very high chance it's going to continue moving down, but let's see. Yeah, stop loss, I just took it on the 15 minute. Your stop loss is only going to be like 13 pips, so it's rather small. It's very good. But I would like myself as well. Just a straight retest of this lower area right here, so. What happened to your background? Not familiar. Yes, it's now white. We can turn it into black if you guys want. We're gonna do a poll: black background or a white background.
Black for sure, earlier in the morning as well.
Wait, guys, we're gonna do a poll. Don't say it yet, otherwise the chat's gonna get messed up. There you go. Okay, see. Get a chart from where they're gonna take a look in that minute on that one. Already copied it. There it is. So let's get those votes in, fam. There it goes. Goldie, start going. Yeah, 15 minutes showed a nice candle. You can see the way this candle has a bigger top wick than the actual body itself. Rejection straight away from this area over here. Oh yeah, black background is winning a little bit. How many votes we got in right now? Let me take a look. I want to see. There it goes. Goldie. We're at 66% on 62 votes. We have to at least have 100 votes for it to win. And we can still get that pullback on white. But we probably ain't gonna get pullback. Shit, better crash 500 pips. Facts. Let's do it. Yeet. So we got around 6 minutes. For some reason I got a cough. We're gonna take a look in a minute when there's 100 votes. 84. We got around 16 votes left, and it seems like black is winning big time. So $83 votes and 70 stream likes. Come on, guys. Yes, there's more votes than stream likes. What's going on, guys? Get those rookie numbers up. Rookie numbers, fam. Gotta pump those up. I don't like because I'm new. Okay, don't. Okay, fair play. We're probably gonna switch switch back to the black background. But then I have to change these colors again because it looks whack with these colors. Okay, guys. Appearance. Let's keep them like this for the moment. Look, need to go here and then do dark color theme. Yes. Let's get these lines where I hate them lines. Can hate them. Who said we wanted to see like nobody? Go away. Okay, a little bit of these, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And then we have to change these to white, otherwise you can't be able to see them. And this fucking candle needs to go down. There you go. I don't know what GJ is doing. Gold is doing. It broke the low. That's nice. I mean, it ran already good amount from that entry over here at the 15-minute candle. Like 10 pips. Yeah, around that 10 pips. Let the likes please be bigger than the votes. Pretty much price market sentiment. Pretty much. It is not about good or bad, it's about appreciation. Can't do this. Let's take a look, Mr. Wardy. He has a chart coming in. I think it's like one of those live charts. Then we have to do chart, and this one, and then this one. And knew it. Wait one moment. You can see GJ following GU right now. Yes, makes sense. But retail, I see retail buying as well. There are already retail. If you look at retail at the YouTube channels that are streaming live right now, retail was already buying right over here. So they got taken out. Now the first sellers got in. Now we need to take out the first sellers. But if we take out the first sellers, then we can start selling ourselves. 1 hour rejection. Man took a fucking litty buy over here. It's a mad thing. Look at him. Pulling that price up. Doesn't care. Man just doesn't care. Look at all these entries over here. Man don't care. In mad thing. But let's see, yeah. You're trying to go back to this area. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good, man. I like it. I like it. Very nice chart. Very detailed. This is how I want to see charts. Most people, some people don't like the fibs, but I like it. It's pretty good. You can see like what he did in the past as well. Like, no joke. I don't know why it's ending right here, but overall, looking at those great moves, and you're catching the great move down again, but just showing rejection on the previous time frames retest. So let's see. Let's see. 1 minute left for this candle to close. Candle's not that big. It's like a 16-pip candle. Entered buys in GU, stop loss 1.34 to 85 stop loss. You're already at break even. Yes, sir. Get this back to normal. There we go. Yeah, looking good, man. You're already in from way lower. I'm going over here. That's savage. That's like Frankfurt Open. Look for a buy on GU, look now. It's a big man thing. It's best to wait for this low to be broken in the 15. It's okay that it's going up right now, so just wait for this low. They got the cough of doom, COVID coming to get you. Come at me, bro. I ain't scared. No, I didn't even read that chat. Hate to burst your bubble. Everyone is a retail trader. Yeah, pretty much over here, yeah. Straight facts. I ain't gonna lie. Yep. Yeet. Where are you taking sales? No, you can sell sales on GU. I'm not looking at GU right now. GU is looking like it can continue moving further up. GJ though, I'm waiting for this low, or either this candle to flip or this low to be broken. One of the two. That's all Gucci. Well, got me a break even. Yep. I just don't like the middle of a range. I hate the middle of a range. Really don't like that. I'd rather wait. Pigmenting. So yeah, like this kind of, if it kind of flips, then we're showing the second rejection, and if it breaks the low, then we're seeing another rejection. So let's get it. If that happens, let's get it, boy. Boy, you better stop. That's already showing that it's going down a little bit. It's going up without a top wick as well, a bottom wick I mean as well. So let's see. It's a big man thing. For the people that also want to see my fucking playlist for music, here you go. Make screenshots if you as fast as you can. On there, right here. How do you? Let's see how this 1 hour candle closes as well on GJ. If it closes like this, then we're rejecting the bearish momentum. But as you know, the line of our flipping point is over here, and if this flips and it starts to go lower, yeah, then we're gonna maybe have a very nice opportunity to go back towards this area where the move originated from and take buys again, or wait for it to break and go towards this area to start buying over here. That would be a very nice option as well. I know some people are already in sales because they see certain things happening. Just give you small shots and try and take bigger runs after. So let's say you get a hit from this one, you're risking maybe 1%. It's all fine. Risk the 1%. Risk 1%. Just try and get your risk rewards up to at least like 1.3 to maybe 1.10. And then you're also going to be fine every single time you take a second trade. You're able to make more shots instead of being hit all the time with big shots risking 2%, 3%. It's just going to go down very, very fast. And also, yeah, 100% if you risk 3% and your risk reward is maybe 1 to 5 for first target or 1 to 3 for first target, yeah, you're going to make a lot of money. But you got to withstand those hits constantly as well, because if you get 3 hits in a row, you're down 9%. That's one thing you have to keep in mind. If you take 3 hits in a row with 1%, you're down 3%. And 3% is absolutely fine to be in drawdown in. Because taking one more trade again, yeah, on maybe a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 5, it's a little bit average. Take a 1 to 5 home, you're back up in profits, right? You can and again take two losses again on your 1% risk before being at break even again. So make sure to get that risk to reward up. It's not about the win rate, it's about the risk to reward. Get the risk to reward up, so you're Gucci. You can even have if you have a good risk to reward, your win rate can be low. Like there's people have even I had once a very low win rate, but I was still profitable because I had a very hard risk management strategy, which made me lose very, very little and what I was actually planning on to lose. Right? What the fuck? Oh, holy shit! Yeah, so this would have played out. I didn't even know it went that far up. But overall, with a good shooter rate, if you get that risk reward up, you're just safe. You're playing more safe and really trying to get more out of actual trades and really learning more about structure as well, not just trying to get bigger trades overall. Not greed or anything, just really playing with the... I'm going out. be on my PC in about half an hour. Pick you up. Yeah, sure. I do have to do some things, but definitely this afternoon we can go into or whatever you want to do. Games, whatever. Get some more pips. There we go. Look at GJ. Around 6 minutes left for this candle to close. It's flipping. About 5 minutes left for this 1 hour candle to close. Hopefully we can break the low and shoot down, because then we have this 30-minute candle also rejecting, and then we have this 1 hour closing with a better body. Let's see what can happen. Yesterday. Look at gold. Gold's breaking up. Holy shit. Might be looking for sale soon. Let's see where the next 4 hour zone is gonna be. We have rejection wicks all the way up here. At previous levels, it dumped very, very fast. I remember the time. I remember when we were up here and we were on stream. Everyone was roasting the fuck out of me because I was selling 1901 and everyone was buying. Because you had this 4 hour resistance right here. I didn't buy because of this 4 hour resistance. If you look on the 1 hour, the 1 hour closed above that area. Every fucking one started buying. I was the only one selling. I was literally getting roasted on my own stream. And shit dropped. Absolutely dumped. It's like, or the 30-minute, I don't know which candle it was anymore. Like, there were candles closing above that 4 hour zone and everyone's like, bye, bye, bye. I don't know exactly which one it was, but it was mad. It did break the low yet on the 15-minute candle. I don't think so. No, not yet. We have to wait. Oh, it can't even look. Oh, it can. But bruv, I was getting straight roasted, I'm telling you. Here we also closed above and then started taking sells. I think I was in sells from over here, just at 91 flat. And I was straight up getting roasted, fam, I'm telling you. That shit dumped. Never came back. Now it's nearly back. It even dumped further. From that level, okay, now. From here to here, that dropped. And the fun part was, not the fun part, actually. I got out because I got scared. Because everyone was calling me fucking knobhead. You know, that went far down. Fine. Oh my god, this one crashed as well, for fuck's sake. It did. Oh, it actually didn't work. God damn. Flying, man. Holy shit. Break it this high. Okay, now. Yeah, that 15-minute candle over here was an option. I was really looking at this one, 8:30. Looking at it, I was like, I think I even said it Darren, I think I said that in the morning, innit?
Yeah, I put it on mine as well, I think.
Yeah. Mad. Would have not taken it myself because it's a little dodgy, but it was already over 100 pip move.
Yeah, I didn't take it.
Are you taking anything else yet?
No, I'm waiting for GJ.
A flip?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Not looking
Yeah,
that
if you look
nice
at
though.
that chart I sent you this morning, I sent you a chart this morning.
Oh yeah. I forgot to look at that. But give me one moment. Oh shit. There's a coin coming on Binance right now. I'm about to buy that. In like 1 minute. Well, let me sell some shit real quick. Pitch bar. Sell.
Luke, which one? Tell me.
PC something. Give me 1 moment. Let me find it. It is called FC Porto tokens. Maybe port? I don't know what's it gonna. Porto USD T. And oh no, it's longer. It's longer. It's 2 hours left. 2 hours
An hour,
left.
I guess. 59 minutes.
It's 2 hours and 59 minutes. I see. Might buy that.
Okay.
Open price is gonna be around $1, I think, and then they're expecting it to go to 15. It's called Porto USDT. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. I'm not. So don't listen to me. Yeah, I might do something with that. Drop a couple banks in that. We lose, we lose. It's like, you gotta understand, if I trade crypto, it is everything or nothing. So if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Yeah, GJ does not look the cleanest right now. Body is bigger than the actual. Won't really show up. Yeah, matting. I don't like GJ right now. I'm gonna be waiting for a next opportunity. If it breaks the low, yes, we're engulfing. That's very, very nice. That's another signal on the 30-minute time frame. So let's see if that happens. But overall, I do not like the situation right now. If this candle got eliminated by this candle by breaking the low, 100% get in. I believe in it. But it did not break by 2 pips. So we have to wait now. This previous 15-minute candle is not showing a pin bar. We got a 6-pip body next to around a wick of 5 pips. So that means that the body is bigger. The body is bigger than the wick, which is meaning that it's not a pin bar. And we want to see pin bars. We don't want to see anything else. We want to see pin bar. Well, anything else, we want to see 2 things: or a pin bar or an engulfment. If we don't see a pin bar or an engulfment, we do not enter. So we have to wait. Probably if you miss it, I don't give a fuck. You see this pin bar on the 1 hour? If you're in already, you have to be careful on this pin bar on the 1 hour. If it decides to go, it is what it is. Then you're gonna say like, hey, we're breaking this low right now. Maybe you're gonna get an entry over here. Or you're breaking this low, coming back up, showing a nice little 5-minute pin bar over here, and getting it itself to continue down. You're not gonna miss it. You just have to wait for the correct things to happen. And if the correct things don't happen, they don't happen, and it is what it is. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wait for this well, pretty much 3 hours. Something. Are the ones opened earlier? Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours and 56 minutes, I see. There's a chance to buy it on a different platform, I think. In a minute. Let's get. Here. And I'm in front of them. Let's see. It's slowly going down now, GJ. It's breaking down and engulfing. So let's see. Guys, also don't forget, for the people that are on YouTube, if you don't know yet, I have a community. If you want to join the community, sometimes in the near future, there's also going to be days where we're just going to be sitting in sessions with the community itself. So if you also want to tune in on that, make sure to tune in. We also do Q&A sessions and more privately. So if you have not checked out the website yet, make sure you do. Give me my face. So I'll put the link inside the chat for you to take a look around on it. And if you're interested, I will see you on the other side. DJ is breaking down now. Could enter lower risk position. I might do so. I'm gonna wait one more moment. The only thing I don't like is this 1 hour pin bar. Like, that's one thing I do not like. 1 hour pin bar to the top, and 1 hour is stronger than all these little time frames down below. 30-minute, we are engulfing, so if you want to take the shot, take it. Preferably, I will wait for price to go down now, take a retest and continue. If it did go down straight away from this candle, yeah, obviously I would have taken it. From this candle, I mean. Right now it's not doing so. New 1 hour candle is open. We're 7 minutes in, so there's still a lot that can happen. So be careful for that. The 4 hour close. If this goes on and the 4 hour starts dumping, then there's a very, very high probability that it's gonna leave a big wick and continue moving. So if you don't catch it, don't worry about it. You're gonna probably catch it next time. Just watch it, see what happens, see how the price is reacting to certain things. Why price going up after showing rejection, or why price going down after showing rejection to the downside again. Make sure you write those things down, see what's really important on all those small little moves, and try and get it next time. For me right now, it's too dangerous to get in. So because the reason why it's too dangerous is because this candle did not show any rejection to the downside, to the upside. Like, it has a wick to the top and is rejecting from 150 to 850, but if I wanted to be able to enter again on the low, this candle should have looked the same as this candle, or at least lower than this part here at 777. So be careful when that does not show. Be careful, please. On the 30-minute, we can see we have a bullish candle 30-minute close, which is also not showing rejection. We have actually a 30-minute created support over here. And on the 1 hour, we have a rejection candle that's rejecting bearish momentum. Even though we made a top wick and closed bearish, we're still rejecting bearish momentum with the big wick that's showing over here. So if you're not already in, if you're in, maybe hold it. If you're not in, wait for it to come down, retest somewhere over here, maybe at the move where it's going to be originating from here to here, and then start looking for sells to retest this area over here. That's going to be the safest play, and take it further down to here or wherever you want to take it down towards, right? There's no need for you to be inside a trade. There's no rush. Gold as well. Gold, let it play, let it go. And once it goes to like 87 or whatever, try and maybe take a buy over here and then start taking sells over here again, or whatever you want to play around with. You just have to see, is there rejection showing? If so, yeah, start looking for it to take something at your zones, not just at a random level where you think like, oh, now price is going to go, and you want to run after the price. Like, just be careful. Same probably with buyers as well. You see buyers coming in over here, buy. You see this candle close above, and like, oh, run after the price, because price is already going, right? Like, you gotta understand, when the price is already going, you don't want to get in over here when it's already running, right? It's already running over here. You're not gonna try and enter over here. That means that you're entering over here, right? You want to enter over here when just before the price starts running, or just when the price starts running, right? You don't want to run after the price, because if you're going to run after the price, you're going to be running for a very long fucking time. Now, this is an okay confirmation over here. You got the 5-minute closing below, and it's now pushing down. This is an okay confirmation. You see a little accumulation over here, and now we have a little break. So it could continue down from here. I'm still going to be careful. I'm going to wait for the retest, set an alert, wait for the retest, and then come back when the retest comes. There is a very high chance, though, that it's going to come down from this level, though. But especially this 4 hour is pulling back the last 48 minutes. If this 4 hour, let's see, if this 4 hour closes below this level over here, we're rejecting, and then we're definitely going to come down, definitely going to come further down. Overall, if you like this stream, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to also subscribe. We're about to hit 15,400 subscribers, so if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do. We're trying to pump those rookie numbers up. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again in the London session live streams, like every single day. Thank you, and bye bye.